Jason Miller. I'm a technician here. I like working here because the owner really cares about what's going on here, and it's not like a big corporate deal where, it's just money run and everything. So the person that would like working here would be somebody that likes a challenge, that gets a whole bunch of different cars, and you don't see like the same brand every day, and there's just the same problems over and over. You have to always keep you on your toes, kind of with something new every day. Kind of person that wouldn't like working here would be someone that just kind of wants to do the same thing every day and not work on a whole bunch of different cars and be challenged. They just want to kind of drift through the day and not have to think too much. My favorite thing about working here is just the people and then the environment, and everybody cares about everybody else doing good and not, everybody for themselves kind of environment. So if you're thinking about applying for Team One and you like a challenge, I'd say go for it.